Magandang buhay! Nandito na naman si Teacher Maya para sa part 2 ng Matrix. At ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paanong mag-multiply ng mga numbers ng 5 seconds. Multiplying 2-digit numbers with the same tens digit and the sum of the ones digit is 10. For example, we have 53 multiplied by 57. So, the numbers in the tens place are the same, parehong 5. And the sum of the numbers in the ones place is 10. Ang gagawin lang natin dito is multiply 5 by the number next to it. So, that is 6. Multiply 5 by 6, the answer is 30. Then, after that, multiply the numbers in the ones place. So, 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So, the product of 53 and 57 is 3,021. Next is 34 multiplied by 36. So, parehong 3 ang nasa tens place. So, multiply 3 by 4. And the answer is 12. Then 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. The product of 34 and 36 is 1,224. Then, next example is 62 multiplied by 68. So, 6 multiplied by 7 is 42, and then 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So, the answer now is 4,216. Next is 17 multiplied by 13. So, the number in the tens place is 1. Multiply 1 by 2. The answer is 2. And then, multiply 7 by 3. So, that is 21. The product of 17 and 13 now is 221. Then, 91 multiplied by 99. So, 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. Then, 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. So, we will write 0, 9. The product of 91 and 99 is 9,009. Last example is 123 multiplied by 127. Pwede kaya to? Say, let's try. So, 12 multiplied by what? 13. So, 12 multiplied by 13 is 156. Then, 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. The product of 123 and 127 is 15,621. Next is multiplying 2-digit numbers using the base 10. Example is 17 times 15. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is subtract 10 from the given numbers. So, 17 minus 10 is 7. Then, 15 minus 10 is 5. Then, add 17 and 5. The answer is 22 multiplied by the base 10. So, it's 220. Then, multiply 7 and 5. The answer is 35. Add 220 and 35. The answer is 255. So, 17 multiplied by 15 is equal to 255. Next example is 18 multiplied by 9. So, again, the base is 10. So, subtract 18 and 10. The answer is 8. Then, 9 minus 10 is equal to negative 1. Then, add 18 and negative 1. So, the answer is 17 multiplied by the base 10. So, it's 170. Then, multiply 8 and negative 1. The answer is negative 8. So, subtract 8 from 170. The answer is 162. Next example is 21 multiplied by 18. So, subtract 10 from 21. The answer is 11. Then, 18 minus 10 is 8. Then, add 21 and 8. The answer is 29 multiplied by 10. So, it's 290. Then, multiply 11 and 8. That is 88. So, add 290 and 88. The answer is 378. So, the product of 21 and 18 is 378. Next is multiplying numbers using the base 100. Example is 109 multiplied by 108. So, ang gagawin naman natin dito is subtract 100 from the given numbers. So, 109 minus 100 is 9. Then, 108 minus 100 is 8. Then, you add 109 and 8. The answer is 117 multiplied by 100. That is equal to 11,700. And then, multiply 9 and 8, the answer is 72. So, you add now 72 to 11,700. The answer is 11,772. So, the product of 109 times 108 is 11,772. Next example is 113 multiplied by 103. So, subtract 100 from these numbers. We have 13 and 3. So, add 113 and 3. The answer is 116 multiplied by 100. So, the product now is 11,600. Then, add the product of 13 and 3, which is 39. So, 11,600 plus 39 is 11,639. Next example is 143 times 99. So, subtract 100 from these numbers. So, we have 143 minus 100 is 43. Then, 99 minus 100 is equal to negative 1. Then, add 143 and negative 1. The answer is 142 multiplied by 100. So, the answer is 14,200. Then, multiply 43 and negative 1. The answer is negative 43. Then, subtract 43 from 14,200. The answer is 14,157. Next is multiplying a number by 5. So, example is 24 times 5. So, ang gagawin lang dito is divide 24 by 2, then multiply the answer by 10. So, 24 divided by 2 is 12, then multiply it by 10. So, the answer now is 120. Next is 34 times 5. Divide 34 by 2. The answer is 17. Then multiply 17 by 10. The answer is 170. Next is 50 multiplied by 5. Half of 50 is 25 times 10. The answer now is 250. Then 64 multiplied by 5 is equal to 32 times 10 is 320. Then next example is 25 multiplied by 5. So divide 25 by 2, that is 12.5 multiplied by 10. So it is now equal to 125. Next is 37 times 5. So 37 divided by 2 is 18.5 multiplied by 10. The answer is 185. Another is 75 multiplied by 5. So half of 75 is 37.5 multiplied by 10. So it's 375. And the last example is 103 times 5. So half of 103 is 51.5 multiplied by 10. So it's now 515.